already opened this one. Can you guess what it is? Sorry, Timothy, I'm not pacey with the wrapping of it. Here is Melvin 1. Told you I got it, trouble. Let's put these down. That's a good little prop. Yeah, these. Timothy does not charge enough for his comics. Ooh. There you go, Lorenzo, Elizabeth and Sentosin. Or else I think it's a dinosaur. Snake. I am not doing these in order. I just realised. Very, very close up. I'll put the other one out. Here's the other one. Here it is. You don't need to look into the best of pitch blackness. Let's open this one. Oh! It's okay. Crisis averted. Oh, good there. I did guess right. They are Melvins. So I've got Melvin 1. Got Melvin 2 inside. Let's try and edit that out. Melvin 2 inside and front. This is Melvin 0. Ooh, it's black and white. Aww, Pandy lives. Wow, ooh, that is definitely for you gents to see, not my eyes. I wonder what she's thinking. There's that one. Melvin 3. Oh, black and white as well. Check out Timothy Olson's comics on Amazon, amazon.com, amazon.co.uk. Show him a bit of love. Don't get used to it, trouble. Bye!